Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful dish, Tofu Mushroom Tomato Medley. Let's not waste a moment, let's start cooking. First things first, let's gather up our ingredients. We'll need some shiitake mushrooms and oyster mushrooms, so make sure to clean and slice them up. For the shiitake mushrooms, take off the stems. And don't forget the tomatoes. Go ahead and slice those up too. Next, let's deal with our scallions. We'll separate the white and green parts, cutting the white segments and finally chopping the green. Lastly, cut your tofu into small bite-sized cubes. Now, get a pot and pour in some water. Bring it to a nice rolling boil. Add in those shiitake and oyster mushrooms and let them cook for about a minute. Once they are ready, take them out and set them aside. Using the same pot, turn the heat down to low. Add in the white part of scallions and give them a quick saute. Toss in the sliced tomatoes and stir fry for a bit. It's tomato time. A touch of tomato sauce goes in and keep stirring. Let's give this medley some flavor. Splash in some soy sauce and oyster sauce and give it another stir. Now bring back those mushrooms, both the shiitake and oyster varieties. Time to add our tofu to the mix. A bit of water and a pinch of chicken powder come next. Bring everything to a gentle boil. Use your chopsticks to remove the tomato skins. After about 2 minutes of boiling, turn off the heat. Now, here's a neat trick. Gently stir in a beaten egg to create that beautiful egg flour texture. Sprinkle those chopped green scallions on top, and guess what? Your tofu mushroom tomato medley is all set and ready. Give this recipe a whirl and let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy cooking!